Hey there, welcome back to the Secret Affiliate Machine. In this next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this works, why it works, and how you can launch the machine. And by the end, you're going to have a very clear understanding of how to get the top results and how to actually get this moving forward for you. By the way, congrats for making it this far. Trust me, most people fall off before right now, so clearly you're dedicated to getting your own results. That is awesome stuff. So it's no mystery that we're talking about affiliate marketing, but not traditional affiliate marketing. Now, you can go sign up as an Amazon affiliate and promote Amazon products, and you can get paid 10, 20, 30, 40 cents per product that you sell. And that's fine if you're selling millions of those products. But instead, I want to show you some products and methods to help you to earn 10, 20, 30, 40, even $1,000 per customer, and this is a game changer. So this is what we're talking about today, how to unlock your online results as a super affiliate. Now, again, I'm going to keep this video lesson very, very short because I want to keep you moving quickly. In fact, within the next hour, you should have this whole thing completely ready to go and launched forward. So let's get you moving really quick. A super affiliate is someone who doesn't just drive a little bit of traffic and get the tiny results. Super affiliates get paid 6, 7, even 8 figures per year promoting other people's products. In fact, most of the results that are online come from affiliate marketing traffic. Almost every company relies on affiliates to help them grow their business. So as an affiliate, you don't have to create the company, you don't have to create products or support the customers or do any fulfillment or shipping. The company does all of that for you and they reward you very handsomely for doing so. So what is affiliate marketing really? Well, I can tell you it's not working for measly pennies. We want to have a simple machine that works automatically. Now, again, I'm going to give you an example here in a moment, but our goal is to entirely automate your machine so that you are set free with your own time, your own choice. Now, these are the 3 things that you need to be successful in internet marketing, or affiliate marketing as we call it. You need a platform, you need products, and you need people. That's it. Platform, products, people. Let's talk about these individually. First, the very first thing you need is a platform. This is what works on your behalf to automatically convert people into customers. Now, you don't want to be pounding on doors and telling people about a product individually and then hoping that they buy. That's not very automated. Because we're on the internet age right now and Facebook and YouTube and Twitter is all over the place, you have so much opportunity to reach a vast audience of people, but I'm going to show you how you don't even have to do any type of traditional advertising like newspapers or YouTube or Twitter or even Facebook to be getting people into your platform. Now, once people hit the platform automatically goes to work 24/7, 365, working on those people to get them to convert for you. That's what's so exciting about have a high conversion platform. You need that in your business. Now, the second thing that you need is high converting products that people actually want. Now, I don't want you to be jumping into buying CBD oils or shakes or potions or lotions or any of this crazy MLM nonsense. What you want is legitimate products that people don't question. They don't wonder, does it actually work? They want a product that's actually going to help them in their life. And if it does that, then they are so much more likely to purchase and stay on as long-term customers. So here's the thing, you can have fixed commissions or recurring commissions. Fixed commissions, you only get paid one time. As in if someone has a $100 pair of shoes and you send a friend over to their store and they buy and they send you $50, while that's great, you have to do that every single time you want a sale. Instead, we want recurring commissions that works every single day, 24/7, 365, paying us monthly for every single customer. So we only need to get them one time and we get paid for the lifetime of their purchase value. So that is incredible stuff. Now, the last P in the platform products people algorithm here is the people. It's the targeted traffic. It's getting people into the platform so that they can buy the products. Now, if you're going out and you're trying to sell motorcycles, maybe as an affiliate, but you're going to a group of 3rd graders, clearly you're not going to have very good results. That's not targeted traffic. They aren't eligible and they aren't interested in buying a motorcycle. They aren't able to do so. But instead, if you were to go to a motorcycle association or convention, something like that, and start selling motorcycles, you're going to have an incredibly high conversion rate because they're eligible, they're able to buy, and they are interested in that. So I'm going to show you how to get targeted traffic of people who already want this product, and all you need to do is to connect the pieces. It's very exciting. So here's how affiliate marketing works and how to get the really good results. And I always like to learn with metaphors. So here's a little bit of a story to help you really understand how this works. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to scale it up to complete 100% automation. So here's how affiliate marketing works. You have a friend, there he is, his name is Alex, and he decides when you two were kids to go ahead and start a lemonade stand. Now he put the whole business together. He's got the cups and the sugar and the water. He built the stand and he put all those signs up there, and he's charging $1 for a cup of lemonade. Now he's got to be over there to fulfill when people come in and buy, right? So he can't possibly be out there and efficiently marketing his business. He's got to be the one sitting there helping people to get the lemonade, right? He's got to be taking the orders. He's got to be making sure everything's full and that people are happy for a product that they actually want to buy. So they come in, they give him $1, and he gives them back lemonade, right? That's traditional commerce. That's how things work in the traditional world. But there's this whole other world going on, and it works like this. So your friend, instead of having his store kind of look like this, where there's nobody there and no one's coming to buy, you come along and you say, oh, you could be a guy or a girl, right? I just picked that picture. So you come along and you say, hey, I'd really like to help you with your business. So what you do is you come up to him and he says, hey, I'll tell you what, I need help getting people to buy lemonade. Go pass out some flyers to your friends and tell them to come here. And every time they buy a cup of lemonade, I'm going to give you 50 cents. Now that's pretty sweet. Every time someone buys a $1 cup of lemonade, you get 50 cents. So here's the math right there. You get 50 cents. So you go out and you actually promote it to 10 of your friends. You give out 10 flyers, and 5 of those people, they really like lemonade, and 3 of those people buy. Now these are our conversion economics. For every 10 people who get a flyer, 5 of them are really interested, and again, these are just averages, and 3 people buy. That's really cool. So what does this mean? It means you just made $1.50. All you did was go tell 10 people about it. 3 of those people, it might be 4, might be 5, it could be all 10, they came in and they bought, and every time you get paid a handsome commission for this lemonade. Now, the true freedom comes when you want to get all the other kids advertising for you. Because if you wanted to get 100 of those kids to come in and buy, or try to get 1,000 flyers passed out, how are you going to do that with the time that you have available to you? Well, that's kind of the secret, and it's truly what gives you the freedom that you're looking for. I'm going to explain that in the next video. But what we need to do right now is to build the flyers themselves. So instead of lemonade, I want to be giving you access to this free trial version of this software, and this is ultimately what we're going to sell. Now, ClickFunnels is a really very, very powerful marketing software. You can build websites with it, you can build funnels with it, and they are going to empower you to launch this business for yourself. And we're going to start absolutely free right now. So how does this work? Now, down below, you're going to see a link. It's going to open up a brand new tab. You want to go to that link, and it's going to look a little bit like this. You can see this right here. And then over on this side, you want to enter your email and create a password for your account and start a 14-day free trial. Now, what's really important about this is that you actually use a new email for this to work properly. If you've ever had a ClickFunnels account before, you definitely want to make sure you use a brand new email for this new business so that you can actually get properly attributed and everything is focused in on this one business. You can track everything very, very clearly. Plus, you're going to get 2 weeks to earn commissions from this absolutely free moving forward right now. So what do you want to do? If you don't have an email right now that is a brand new account, you can go directly over to gmail.com and fill out this quick form. You're going to get a free email address, and you could use Yahoo or Hotmail, but I like to use Gmail. And you want to just give it a name that's specific to this business. So you might use your name marketing at gmail.com, or you might use your name consulting, or You can pick any username that you want, but you want it to be specific so that you can use a very specific email for this purpose, okay? What you need to do is enter your new email address if you created a new one, or you could use your current address if you wish. I'm gonna go ahead and do this and create a password that I'm gonna remember. Then you're going to arrive on this page, and there's a couple options for you to select from. Now, again, you're going to be taking a 2-week free trial, and during this time, we're going to be earning as much money as possible before you even get charged a single penny. But then you're going to find that this tool is going to help you to make so much money, you're going to want to keep it because it's going to make you profitable. It's just like operating a lemonade stand. You have to buy lemons to sell those lemons. And in this case, this is an investment you absolutely want to make and you want to keep. So there's 2 options here. The first one is the Edison Suite, which is going to give you a lot more features that you can use down the road, or you can use the basic ClickFunnels plan. And this is the one that you can use right off the bat, and then you can eventually get to this level if you'd like. You're going to input a credit card number that they're going to use just temporarily. There's no charges immediately, and they only do that so that they can continue after your trial is completely done. But right now, you're going to earn as much money as possible by simply putting in some information here and get going with your free account. Now, last thing I want to mention here is I highly, highly suggest to add these 9 secret funnels training. What's going to happen after you add this to your order is you're going to get 9 additional websites imported into your account with some additional training that's going to help you to become profitable very, very quickly. And again, this is a huge discount. They only offer it right here on this page, so you don't want to miss out on this. I highly suggest adding this to your order immediately. So then right after that, you want to activate your account by clicking this button. On the next page, they're going to give you a free t-shirt just for watching a very quick video training about how this all works. And then when you're done with this step, and if you want to get the free t-shirt on the next page, then come back to the page you're on right now to make sure that you can move forward with your training in the secret affiliate machine. And on the next page, we're going to be importing an incredible platform for you. The actual way that we're going to be selling to other people is going to be on the next step. But you got to do this one right now because the next step doesn't work unless you do this right now. So click that button down below and I'll see you in the next step.